welcome to episode 2 of Presto's Prognoses. In this episode, we'll be considering a case where reputation-based strategy had a large impact on the decision made. Let's first consider the situation. This was actually a 5-player game, but only 3 of the players were interacted here. I'm the player with the red gleeful bunny. Another opponent has a blue gleeful bunny, and yet another player has a standard bunny and is about to play a weapon. This third player plays the weapon on the blue gleeful. The question is why? Wouldn't it be the obvious choice to pick the red gleeful bunny since that is the bigger threat? Recall value threat theory. If you haven't seen that lecture from Tucker's Theoreticals, I suggest you go check it out as it is very important for this discussion. The red gleeful is the obvious target. Everyone can recognize that. It's early in the game, so there's no alliance going on and there's no retaliation going on either. It's quite early in the game. What other reason might there be for attacking the blue gleeful instead of the red gleeful? In this case, it had to do with reputation-based strategy. Reputation-based strategy is all about the fact that strategy often can't be isolated to single moments or even within single games. You can use this to your advantage. In this scenario, over several games I built a reputation as someone who protected passive players. This is a strategy I like to refer to in the aggressive passive category of strategies, passive justice warrior. At the same time, I built a reputation as someone who will justify excessive retaliation. This falls under intimidation aggressive strategy. So the question of why did the third player attack the blue gleeful instead of the red gleeful? Strictly speaking, because he was spooked by my reputation. He did not want to get on my bad side. This is just one example of how reputation-based strategy can impact and even distort how players view seemingly simple decisions. The common weaknesses, of course, of reputation-based strategy is the process of building the reputation and the actions required to keep the reputation. Oftentimes, a player currently utilizing a reputation-based strategy doesn't have much flexibility in which strategies they use in all of their games, unless they are willing to lose their reputation. This has been episode 2 of Presto's Prognoses, looking at a case where reputation-based strategy impacted a decision. And as always, Jeff bless.